Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss crop production and management. Crop plants of the same kind that are grown and cultivated as a source of food in a large cultivated land is called a crop. Types of crops. Crops which are grown in the winter season are called rabi crops. For example, rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard. The crop which are grown in rainy season is called kharif crop. For example, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut are kharif crops. Steps for cultivation of crops. Soil preparation. It involves loosening and tilting of the soil, that is, plowing and watering. Plow. What is plow? A plow is a device that is used by farmer for different purposes such as adding of fertilizer, tilting and loosening of the soil. What is hoe? A hoe is a tool that used to dig up soil to remove weeds and also loosen up the soil before planting a sapling. What is cultivator? A cultivator is attached to the tractor and helps in loosening soil. Cultivator are used instead of plows since they are faster. What is sowing? Sowing is the process of putting seeds in the soil. Methods of sowing. Traditional method of sowing is the tool used traditionally for sowing seeds is shaped like a funnel. Modern method of sowing, seed drill, used for sowing with the help of tractors. Quality of seeds. Quality of seed is an important factor that determines the crop yield. Selection of good seeds is done by putting the seed in water. The dead seeds and damaged seeds become hollow and float on the surface of the water. Adding manure and fertilizers. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients to improve the production of the crop and fertility of the soil are called manure and fertilizers. What is different between fertilizer and manure? Fertilizer is inorganic salt. Manure is prepared by organic matter such as human waste, cow dung and farm waste. Fertilizers are manufactured in factories. Manures can be prepared in farms. Fertilizers are added in comparatively small quantities. Manures needed to be added in large quantities as the nutrients content is less. Fertilizer do not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Disadvantages of using fertilizers. Excessive use of fertilizer can cause pollution. It can also change pH of the soil in certain rare cases. What is crop rotation? Crop rotation ensures that the same crop will not grow continuously and lead to the erosion of the soil fertility. By growing crops that requires different sets of nutrients, we can ensure that the soil fertility is stored. What is irrigation? Supply of water to crops at appropriate intervals is called irrigation. Sources of irrigation: wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams, and canals. Traditional methods of irrigation. Modern methods of irrigation, they are the best of saving water. Two main irrigation methods is used today. Sprinkler system is the best for the places where land is uneven and insufficient water is often used in watering lawns and coffee plants. Drip system is better for places where availability of water is poor. Water falls drop by drop directly near the root of the crop, often used in watering fruits, plants, gardens, and trees. Protecting from weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants that grow along with the crop. Its removal is must for the better growth of the crop. These can be controlled by manually removing them using kurpi to uproot them or cut them close to the ground and spraying certain chemicals called weedicides like 2,4-D. Humus is the top layer of the soil formed by decaying or decomposition of organic matter like animal remains, shade leaves, the dung of cattle. Pests are the insects or rodents that destroy much of our crop yield. Thus, it is necessary to save crops from pests. Harvesting. The cutting of the crop after it is mature is called harvesting. Harvesting can be done manually by sickle or by machines called harvesters. What is threshing? Threshing is the process of loosening the grains from the chaff. While it can be done manually, these days a machine is used for separate all the grains from seeds. What is winnowing? Winnowing is the process of separation of grains, seeds from the chaff using the help of the wind. Due to the wind, the lighter chaff flies away and the heavier grains are fall down. What is storage? Storage of the grain is an important steps in agriculture. After harvesting steps, the ready grains are stored in granaries or silos. The grains have to be stored in a dry place that does not have a rodents or fungal infections. Fumigation of storage places is carried out to make it free from microbes. Types of storage. Silos, the tanks which are used for large scale storage of grains are known as silos. Granaries are the storehouse for threshed grains and they protected the grains from pests and insects. Animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the management and care of farm animals for milk, egg or meat. So our discussion is completed about crop production and management. Thanks for watching this